Welcome back to Finance Made Simple. I'm Maya, and today we're diving into an interesting case, Horizon and Cobra's share issue.
Ooh, I remember this one. Something about shares, applications, and money being refunded?
Exactly, Tara. We'll talk about how shares were allotted, why some money had to be refunded, and what call in arrears means.
Sounds like a lot, but I'm ready. Let's go step by step.
So Horizon and Cobra's invited applications for 25,000 shares at rupees 10 each. But guess what? They received applications for 30,000 shares.
So more people wanted shares than were available?
Exactly. That's called oversubscription. When that happens, companies usually allot shares on a pro-rata basis. Everyone gets a smaller portion of what they asked for.
Ah, like sharing pizza when too many friends show up.
Perfect example. So everyone still gets a slice, just smaller.
Okay, I get the oversubscription part. But what about the refund you mentioned earlier?
Good question. Horizon and Co. got rupees 75,000 from all the applications, but they only needed rupees 62,500 for the 25,000 shares they actually issued.
So the extra 12,500 had to go back?
Right again. Rupees 12,500 was refunded to the unlucky applicants who didn't get full shares. Now let's see how payments were structured. Each share had to be paid in 3 parts. Rupees 250 on application, rupees 5 on allotment, and rupees 250 on the first and final call. But here's the twist. Some shareholders didn't pay the final call on 2,500 shares.
Oh no! What happens then?
That's where the term call in arrears comes in. It means money that was due but not yet received. The company will show that amount as call in arrears in their books.
So Horizon and Co. ended up with some money refunded, some money unpaid, but most of it properly recorded.
Exactly. It's all about proper accounting, tracking what's received, refunded, and still due.
Wow! Finance doesn't feel scary when you explain it like this.
That's the goal. 1 cup of coffee and 1 balance sheet at a time.
I like it!
And that's a wrap for today's episode of Finance Made Simple. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember, even small numbers tell big stories.
See you next time!